everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Super School. It's Chandni. So today I have chosen a very interesting topic from English grammar, and that is tense. But hey, tense is a big topic, so I cannot cover it within 2 or 3 minutes, right? So I have picked out the continuous tense. Yes, so very quickly I will try to make you understand or provide you with the intuition of present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Yes, so it's very important to know when to use present continuous tense and past and future. So present continuous tenses are used when you are trying to express some action that is going on, okay, an ongoing action. So the birds are flying in the sky, right? The birds are flying in the sky, an ongoing process. But when to use past continuous tense? When you are trying to express something that happened in the past, So that happened in the past, but an ongoing process in the past. So the birds were flying in the sky, especially when we try to give out conditional expressions. Now conditionals are another very difficult grammatical topic to cover in some other video. So I've just mentioned this to make you understand that in what type of situation we use these tenses. When we are giving out some speech, we are mentioning or we are explaining or describing any event, then we tend to focus more on the verb. And it's very important when you're describing some event or some ongoing process, you focus on your verb and your sentence structure must be correct. That will help you to achieve grammatical accuracy at a level of at least more than 80%. Yes. So, past continuous tense. What is the difference? The birds were flying in the sky. So, the only difference is in are. Right? So in present it was the birds are flying in the sky. In past the birds were flying in the sky. So the only change took place in the helping verb, not in the main verb. The main verb is in ing form. Then third one, future. Future continuous tense. Something that you are thinking to be happening in the future. So the birds will be flying in the sky. So you are just changing the helping verb are, were, and you're putting in will be. So for present are, for past were, for future will be. The birds will be flying in the sky, and the rest of the structure is same. Subject plus helping verb plus main object in ing form. Main object? No, main verb. Main verb in ing form plus object. So only the helping verb changes whenever you're trying to express something in present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense. So continuous tense in general. So that's about it. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page.